Today, we're unboxing the CommBox Neo. The Neo is built with security at its core, making it ideal for government, defense, and other secure organizations that need complete control. Purpose-built interactive display designed for environments where cybersecurity really matters. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started quickly. Straight away, you'll notice the clean, minimal design. With a straightforward setup designed to get you up and running without complexity. That means no unnecessary software, reduced attack surface, and greater peace of mind for IT teams. What makes the Neo different is that it's a non-OS display, but even without an operating system, you're not missing out on functionality. Out of the box, the Neo includes 3 powerful built-in features: a simple, responsive whiteboard for quick collaboration, annotation over any input source, and CommBox Connect, allowing you to wirelessly share your screen with ease. It's designed to give you the essentials you need without compromising on security. The Neo is available in 3 sizes: 65, 75, and 86 inches, making it easy to choose the right fit for your space. And for organizations with even stricter requirements, both the firmware and hardware can be further hardened, giving you additional layers of security tailored for your environment. This is a display built for control, simplicity, and secure collaboration. Keep it CommBox with the CommBox Neo. If you would like a 15-minute demo on the CommBox Neo, simply jump on our website and click the Book a Demo button. Do it better with CommBox, celebrating 50 years of Australian innovation.